All right, what is going on? Give me one quick sec. Oh, hey, there we go. Let me just get rid of that little BS. What's going on? Good to see you on this lovely February day. We're going to hop on the stock market for a little bit, see how we did from the last weekend, and see if we came up at all. So let's go over to that. Where do I not have that anymore? Oh no. Thinkorswim. I don't. Oh, that sucks. I got to create a new thing real quick. All right, give me one sec. Let's just do this. Let me make sure that we can still see it. Hey, yeah, we can. All right, so this is good for now. I'll have to make a note to make a new scene for Stock Talk. Stock Talk scene. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with what we're holding. So we sold out a fuel cell. Let's see what happened there. Fuel cell. Damn, it probably broke below that. Right there. That's probably what happened. Yeah, where did we do that? Price at 2205. That's where we sold that. Damn, yeah, so it was just that dip right there. That's a shame. But it does look like it will keep going back up, so I might actually want to buy into that some more. Let's see how it's doing right now on the 1 minute chart. It is falling back down, so I do want to see that go back up above these highs. So I'm just create an alert for myself. Oh, and there's that. So I'm just gonna, just real quick, I'm gonna just send 5 just to make sure I'm good. Oh, what is going on? All right, let's check what else. So Jets, we are still in. Let's take a look at that. Let's actually check overall. Open, I'm down a buck. Today, I'm up 4. Anything else we sold out of? No, just the fuel cell. All right, so yep, I hit that mark. All right, Jets, let's see what is going on there. All right, word. It did bounce at that lower support line and is going back up. What is this change? It's about a 2% change. I would like to see it break like the 2150 mark, or not 2160s. But then again, this is one that probably is going to be a little bit longer hold, just because, you know, air travel in the US isn't really going to be a thing for a little bit. And I'm pretty sure that Jets is a predominantly US based aerospace stock. Not aerospace, excuse me, air travel commercially. But I would like, this is the 1 minute chart, right? Yeah. So I am just going to set that. Just in case, make sure that I set my stop so I don't end up losing shit. On to the next one. Let's check out Plug. Do I still have stuff in Plug? I do, but I don't have a sell order. Wonder why that is. What did I buy it for? Plug, trade price, 62.98. Word. So we definitely came up since it was there. I'm gonna readjust my sell order on this to a stop order, so I just make sure I ensure that I get that in if it falls below a certain point. That certain point is going to be 63.55. I'm going to sell all. Yep, good till canceled. Oh, sell 100%. That's probably what it was. 63.55. Good till canceled. Go. And I only had one. That's why. All right, yeah. So let's change this real quick. It does look like it's falling, so I'm going to catch it at a good point. I'm just going to move that up and just get the order out. Yep, there it goes. All right, word. So overall on plug, I think I came up a little bit. Good stuff. Couple cents. Hey, everything counts. Where is the rest of my money? Excuse me real quick. Ooh, goodness. What is good? All right, where's... This doesn't have it. I'm gonna change this real quick. Mark, days I don't care about, percent change, and net money. Nope, basic. Net liquid, that's it. All right, most of my money right now is in QCOM, so let's go take a look at it. Whoa, QCOM, nice little spike. I like to see. I could see that still riding out for a little bit longer. Where'd I buy that at? 153.52. Hell yeah. So right now, your boy came up 5%. That's more than I was looking for. So that's huge. I'm going to move my stop loss up right here, just below where it's been trading intraday. Word. All right. So we went from QCOM. Let's go. Fuel cell is the other one. I did just buy some more fuel cell, right? Yeah, I don't know if that was the best idea. It was sort of just happened. No, I think it'll be fine over the day or two. But I would like to set a stop loss order around like just below 20, just in case it starts to change its pattern. Sell all. Good deal canceled. Thank you. All right, word. Actually, let's do a little better analysis. So it looks like it'll probably at least hit 7% up. So I would like, oh yeah, I wouldn't like that much, because right down here, that's a 7% loss. I don't even want to risk that. I want to go for a little over 1, so let's call it 1.5. Yeah, right down there. So let me just bring this guy up. Send that right there. Oh, what is going on? How is everybody else doing on this lovely Monday? Yeah, Monday. Oh, I would like to take a second to thank Alex_the_Beast and Albus Nicole. They followed last night during the joint Among Us stream, and I didn't get a chance to say hello and thank you. So thank you and hello. All right, where else are we? I did fuel cell, I did jets, plug, rocket is the last one. Rocket and Twitter. Where did I buy rocket? 21.37. Some up. It's good to see. Looks like it's tanking. Why is that? It does look like it's at a good, like, little support. I think it'll just bounce around here. It probably won't drop, but if it does drop below that, I'm gonna just get that in. What'd I buy? 21.37. Yep. And that order, I would like to at least recoup my money. So I'm gonna set it at 21.40. Because I think this will be fine. I think this is just probably some bad news. 2 new commercials during the Super Bowl. Showcase the power of this digital mortgage. Because I mean, Rocket Mortgage overall is a pretty good idea as a company. It's kind of what I think Robinhood did by making trading more accessible to the common man. I think Rocket Mortgage is making mortgages more accessible to the common man and more technologically savvy. So I think that's fine. I'm just going to leave that. Rocket and Twitter. What is going on here? What I buy it at? 50.79 at 50. 80. Yep. All right, let's see what it did. Word, it's going on a pretty straight upward path. I'm gonna set this. Where has it been? No, stop that. Does seem like it's been going across this. So I'm gonna set this probably right around here to line up with these previous highs and then the lows after it peaked up. So just in case it breaks pattern, I'm gonna still recoup my money. Plug. I do not have stop orders for. Oh, that's because I just sold it. That's right. Word. All right, let's see how everything else is doing. Look at my general chart. AMC. Still going up. That short squeeze is still happening. So it looks like it's lost a lot of momentum, a lot of volume has fallen off. Yeah. I mean, to be fair, it is now trading along, I guess, a certain level. Not really. Not really, actually, at all. So I don't even really give a damn. AMC isn't even one that I want to look at. Roku is a little expensive for the account. It's almost half the account value. But it did have a nice uptick over the weekend. Nice little 5% gain. Wonder what that's from. What's up, guys in the chat? I appreciate you. Here's some coffee. We're probably gonna hop over to some games in a very little bit. I saw Preston playing some balloons tower defense, and I was jealous and I wanted to hop on the ride, so I'll probably hop onto that. Snapchat. It seems, yeah, it's almost. That's so interesting. But I think it's good for now. Let's get rid of this. Tesla fuel cell just had a nice little spike up. Is it going to continue? Because I might have to buy some more. Spotify, let's take a look at it real quick. So what I really like about this is it's playing in a horizontal pattern. So you see, like right here, it's just bouncing up, topped out, bounce down, top, bounce, 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 and it just keeps bouncing until it breaks up. And even right here, it's bouncing again. So I love this type of pattern. This is my favorite because it makes it super easy. It's, you know, buy here, sell here, you know. All right. And it looks like we're halfway up that trend. So there could be another 5% run up. I'm going to make a note of that just in case, because that is pretty stable and safe. Excuse me one sec. All right, boys, back. Just had to blow my nose a little bit. Am I in the image? Am I in this? I think so. Yeah, all right, we're good. Oh, all right, so Spotify seems like a good little shit. Make a note of that. 5 to 5. Stable. Fuel cell. Oh, I just got rid of spot. Fuel cell. Looks like it could have a nice run up. So, I mean, at least it looks like it'll top up probably by 23.05. So that's a nice little 6% gain at least, which I'm expecting. You can see it right over here. I mean, this doesn't make me happy right here. This descending highs. But we did just reach a support, and we are breaking new levels again. So I like that. So yeah, at least 6 to 6 to 7 versus a what? 5% downside? Really? That's what that is? 21 to 20? Damn. Yeah, so that's pretty much the same, 1 to 1. That's more speculative. Snapchat, Spotify, QCOM. QCOM, we already pretty much checked. I am gonna ideally sell right around 164 if it gets up there. Intel wouldn't be a bad buy. Maybe. Looks like it might only go up 4%. If we're lucky, we hit a high like right over here, but I don't think we will. Apple does seem like it's bouncing back up. It seems like it could have a nice little run up of around 3 to 5%, but not really ideally what I'm looking for. All right. Zoom. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of this because it doesn't really hold true to the horizontal pattern. I mean, I guess it does if you look back here. I'm gonna just draw this support level. It bounced twice pretty much at that level right here. Just peaked below and went back up, but it's not really playing too much in where it used to. It did for a little bit, but not too much, so it's not really that exciting for me. And you see over the past like what month to show a good at least 5% up. So Rocket's probably going to be one I'm going to buy more of, like 1 to 2%. So Rocket's probably one I'm going to get. Where is a potential? I need to learn how to scan. I don't really know how to scan that well. All right. VMware, let's call it 2%. Yeah, so actually, I don't know if I'm going to want to buy VMware. That's not really. I mean, my daily goal is a 2% gain. So, I mean, there is an argument to be made I should get it, but I don't want to. Work really doesn't move too much. If we ever catch it right down here, might be good for a consistent run up, but probably not. So I'm going to set an alert for when it goes below there. Let's go to Berkshire Hathaway B. Whoa. Whoever this guy was that bought this, very lucky. Not lucky, very nice. Yeah, it doesn't really fluctuate as much as I would like it to. I would like to see it down lower, like at least right around here. Create alert, at or below. All right, Coca-Cola. I have some money in my Roth IRA for this guy. Because it's just like, I mean, it's Coke. You know, it's like, like that brand name alone is worth billions. Oh, no, I don't want that. I want this tool. So that could give us a nice little 5% gainer. And it does seem like right around here, it bounces around 48, right around here, here. Like it does seem to have pretty good price action around 48. So I could see it. I mean, it is at a support right now. We see this. I could see that going up nicely, but I don't know how long I would have to wait for it. So that'd be kind of sit in the dark and wait. So that'd be a long position I'd have to hold. UNH, it's another one of those price targets that's a little big for the account. Now that I think about it, I'm going to just get rid of these guys. Just these very big. Roku. Ooh, I do like Roku. Because it has enough volatility within like a month, you know, it dropped 7. I could actually, I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea to buy some Roku, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. UNH. I do not want Dominion. I like it because it plays in that horizontal pattern, but the same thing with Coke is like it takes so long to do that it's just a better long-term account strategy. So like actually, perfect example. I'm going to log into my Roth IRA right now with Schwab. I'm going to buy some of that and then just hold it until ideally it gets at least around like 80. And let's see how the Schwab account's doing. I'm up 117 on the day, mostly from Tesla. Good shit. I do have some Coke in here as well. All right, let's what is this, D? Yeah. Buy 2 shares at market. Word. United Airlines. Same thing as. Oh wow, actually. I mean, it is similar to Jets, but it's got some good volatility on it. And I would like to see. It does seem to be making new lows, so I don't really like that. But I could see it for a nice momentum trade. I'm going to hold off on that. I'm going to wait to see if it breaks a new high. So like around 41, I would like to see it break. Hop in for that for a day trade. Airbnb. I'm going to wait to see till it shows upward momentum. Because this is another highly volatile one that I would love to hop in for a momentum swing. Datadog. Ooh. Datadog could be a nice little swing. Because it just bounced right down here around 97 at the end of the week. And it opened up higher. Much higher. Not much, but, significantly percentage-wise. I actually do see this going up. A couple percentage points, which wouldn't be bad, but not really what I'm looking for. Damn, right now it's looking like Rocket and Fuel Cell are the main guys to go for. Ooh, I speak too soon. What's up with Sumo? Sumo looks like a buy right now. It's been fucking hopping all around. It just broke that support, so I'm gonna redraw this line. let's see, by these guys right here. Yeah. So I could see this dropping a few more points. Maybe another percentage or two. But on the upside, it could be worth a good significant amount. So I actually am going to buy some Sumo. On the upside, I mean, shit, it could. Realistically, I think it'll show maybe like 6.5%, 6%. But it could go even higher. So I'm definitely going to grab some of that. Moderna, let's take a look at you. I don't have any drawing lines on this. And there's no real straight curve that I can trend on the supports. So this, I mean, I guess I could do some extremely wide lines. Oh, what just happened there? Send that to the left. Yeah. Yeah, see, like these are just, I mean, this is at the point where it's like, I don't even know if these lines are helping me. I don't think they are. But it does seem like it is breaking pattern. Because it was going up pretty steadily right here. In this little line, this box. And it just broke that. So I guess we'd want to see that. We'd want to see it get back into pattern. So where these, actually, this is a good little case study. Extend to the right. So right where this overlaps and crosses above this and starts to break the pattern upward, I think is a good indicator of positive upward momentum. Moderna, it is curving up. Let's check it on the RSI and all that. And actually, while I'm thinking about it, I do like. Yeah, it's blue up, red down. Where are my studies? So studies that I like. RSI, MACD, simple moving average, exponential moving average. For the simple moving average, I'm going to do 180-day length. Oh. 180-day SMA. Let's make it green. And then for the moving exponential, which tracks it more day to day, it's the moving average of all the prices. So hold on one sec. I'm going to make this orange because it gives me a little more urgency. Apply these. All right, so what we're looking at right here, the MACD shows you where the simple moving average and the exponential moving average overlap. So like right here. And then we see in the stock price start to fall after that, after the, I believe, what is the blue line? What is the gray line? I'll figure it out at some point. The RSI just shows you overall if people are buying or selling the stock. So we see that if it breaks 70, it's probably overbought. If it goes below 30, it's probably undersold. Right now we see it starting to pull back a little bit, but this is on the slightly overbought side. That being said, it does show momentum, so it shows that people want it. So that could be a good indicator that people are going to continue to buy it and it'll keep going up in price. Right here, this green line is the average of 180 days of stock ticker numbers. So this pretty much comes out from way back here. Is there a way I can get a longer? Yeah, 3 years and week. Where is it? There's my green. There's my orange line. Where's my green line? I don't see it. I lost it. Oh well. does look like it's a reasonable buy. Where's that line coming from? What's this? And if it does run up where it was, so it could go up 5% to go back within pattern. It is hitting this old support line. Actually, that is a pretty good indicator that it won't break below 150, probably. Remember, this is all hypothesis, so I don't really know. I'm just shooting in the dark, taking guesses. But it does seem like it would be a good buy, and I would hate to be out of it if I were wrong. So I could see, and I'd probably want to sell around 168, right when it gets back in there, because it has dipped below this line before. And then GameStop, 25% down on the day. The short sellers are getting fucked. Or, well, I mean, they still are getting fucked, yes. But nobody's really buying the stock anymore. So what do I want to buy? I like Sumo, I like Moderna, I like Rocket, and I like Fuel Cell. I got $300 to play around with. Let's look. Who do I think is the most likely to gain? Fuel Cell, Sumo, or Moderna? Let's take a look at these. Sumo and mRNA. Fuel Cell on the middle chart. I could see consistent growth with that. Sumo I could see popping back up in the next day or two. And Moderna. I really do like Moderna, so I'm going to buy one of these. Alright, so I'm in on Moderna. And then there's Rocket. Rocket I could see popping up. It's relatively cheap. What is between that and Sumo? Let's just get a little bit of everything. So I got 150. So let's say spend $50 on each. Sumo, nah. I'm gonna buy 2 Sumos. I'm gonna buy 2 Fuel Cell, 2 Rocket. Ooh. 1 Rocket. Alright, now I just gotta set my sell orders and then I'll be happy. So I need a sell order for, well actually let's just go over everything. Edit this. How many Fuel Cell do I have? 7? Twitter. I already have Moderna. I need to set one for. So Moderna I could see going up at least 5% or so. I would not want to sell it, or I would want to sell it if it breaks below 154. Alright, so Moderna's good, Fuel Cell's good, Twitter's good, QCOM, Rocket is the next one. How many rockets do I have? 5. So we're going to sell that. Plug them out of Rocket, Jets, Sumo. So it gets below 32.80. I would want to sell it. So the 100% stop 32. Whoa. 80. Good till canceled and send. And then Moderna I already have. Sumo I have. Is there anything I'm missing? Nope. All right. So oh, look at that. I'm already up on the open. What am I up on? I'm up heavily on QCon. Good stuff. Good stuff. Word. It's honestly, it does seem like I would want to sell QCon pretty soon. Let's go on the 1 day, 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, the pennies don't matter to me. I just want to make sure I get out before it breaks that trend. And where would the trend be broken? If it starts making lower highs, lower lows. So I guess if it broke 161, right down here, 161.12. Yeah, let's set that right there at 161. All right, that will be it for the stock talk. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Otherwise, I'll see you in a bit. Let's see if anyone's online that I could raid to. Nope, no one is. So we're just gonna